Here is my 4 tips to get the maximum value when you trade in your car. Number 1. Do your research.
Knowing the value of your used car is important. Research the trade-in value of your car before trading it in. Search for similar makes and models on cars.co.za and compare them to your used car. This will give you an estimated value of what your car is worth. However, it is important to remember, the trade-in value is generally considerably less when compared to selling your car privately.
Number 2. Maintenance. A car that has been well maintained will fetch a higher price. It's important to keep service records of all major services and any other maintenance done to the car. It may also be in your best interest to fix any problems before trading in your used car, as this could translate into a higher trade-in value. If your car is well maintained, dealerships will have less reason to decrease the trade-in value. Number 3. Make sure your car is clean. Before you trade in your car, ensure that the car is cleaned thoroughly. Vacuum the interior, including the boot, and remove all your personal belongings from the car. Take your car to a valet service and have the upholstery cleaned. Apply air freshener and clean all the surfaces on the dashboard, including the gear lever and steering wheel. A clean, well-maintained used car with a comprehensive service history is more likely to yield a higher trade-in value when compared to an untidy, poorly serviced used car. Number 4. Shop around and be realistic. Take the time to shop around for the best trade price. Make contact with a few dealerships to compare what they are prepared to offer you. Finding the best trade-in price for your used car may require some patience and perseverance, but if you do your research and maintain your used car properly, you can expect to get a better trade-in value.